Hey guys, Brandy Brickler here with Vetted VA. Just wanted to put out some information that the VA released on November 25th of 2022 a new circular pertaining to private roads and shared driveways. Now, effective immediately, very exciting, the VA is no longer requiring that a veteran obtain a private road maintenance agreement to meet the minimum property requirements of the VA home loan. So the VA will be requiring that a public easement be recorded, but that's usually already included in your preliminary title report. Now, just a little bit of backstory on why the VA would ever require a private road maintenance agreement is the VA is always protecting the interests of the veteran. And when a veteran is purchasing on a private road or in a shared driveway, they want to make sure that the veteran always has access to their property. And without a public road accessing the property, it is up to the other homeowners on the private roadway or the homeowners association, and changes to that any type of agreement could encumber access to the veteran to their property. Now, since many states have enacted laws that pertain to this specific issue, especially for those places that don't have private road maintenance agreements, and the fact that a veteran could potentially ask for a waiver in these situations, the VA is no longer going to make this a requirement or minimum property requirement of the VA home loan. So this is very exciting for those people who are purchasing in cities. They might have shared driveways, or in more rural areas where private roads are more common. If you have any more questions, or you might be in a situation like this, please reach out to a vetted professional in your area and they will be able to help guide you.